how to clear out the recent searches in Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can clear out all of the recent searches in your Where is my train application. So in order to clear out or delete all of the recent searches in the application, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Where is my train application, and also make sure that the difference could happen if you are using an iOS devices, especially in the UI and features availability as well. So this particular tutorial would be helpful for Android users. So then once you are inside the application interface, you can see the three lines present at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap onto this and it will open this navigation menu. Now within this navigation menu, you can see this option that says clear recent searches. So simply click onto this clear recent searches and you will get a notification that says recent searches cleared. So this means all of your recent searches within the application have now been cleared and you can start a fresh search. So that was all for this quick and simple tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting videos and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.